Porsi.
Hello everyone, on this occasion my group friends and I will discuss experience from the start of college until now. But before that, let me introduce myself, Nanda Surya Sadan, and all of us from the journalism department. So let's go straight into discussing what I felt from the start of college until now. Thank God I entered this university via SNMPTN. After that, entering my first semester as student, I felt a very big difference between when I was a student and when I was a college student. The difference was really felt in the lecture system, friendship, and several other things. In the first semester, I also took part in cadre formation for my major in October 2022. There I met new friends, new knowledge, and yes, of course, experience that I still remember to this day. Then we entered the second semester. In this semester, I was still a new student who still did not fully understand the world of college. In this semester, I also took part in the second step of cadre training in my department. In the second step, all of us as new students, we are introduced to what the student association was like, what fields include, and then we are also introduced to what specialization there were. This semester is also a semester that I still remember very well, because in this semester I did my first report, and it created an experience that I still remember to this day, how I learned to be a journalist, and of course how to write the right news. Entering the third semester, starting this semester by participating in several commits in my major. The courses in this semester are also starting to focus more deeply on journalism, starting to cover more frequently interviewing various sources. This semester, I also participated in village service which was carried out for 5 days in Garut, precisely in Neglasari village. Lots of new insights, meeting village residents, gaining experience. Of course, I still remember it to this day. Then in the current semester, namely the fourth semester, almost half of the journey towards a degree. Experience is increasing, business is getting busier, there are more lecture activities such as LC and recitation practice. In this fourth semester, I am also joining a major organization, and currently I am a member of the organizational apparatus development sector. In this field, I have responsibility as the person in charge of the press sector. And those are some of the stories of my experience during this fourth semester. And after this, my friend Naila will continue. Thank you.
Okay, I'm Rifdah Nela Rasati, and now I will story about journey of me over at UIN Bandung. Let's get started. I entering UIN through the lens SBMPTN, and then I followed a bunch of new students like PBAK and Fantasi. First semester, I was like grad students who only went to college and went to home. Also this semester, I attended the orientation program that is COMA. During the first semester, I found new friends from all over city, and here are my classmates. Next, my second semester, I attended providing leadership training that is PDKT. After that, I tried to join organization Jurnal Pos Media. Besides join Jurnal Pos Media, I have also joined the journalistic volunteer for 1 period. Starting this second semester, I get news coverage assessment, and it's me while doing news coverage. In the third semester, I was assigned by Jurnal Pos Media as an artistic division, and starting this semester, besides college, I attend a regular organization meeting and also join in the orientation committee that is COMA committee. In the third semester, I also attended dedication in Garut City for 6 days. There I to teach elementary school and also to teach TPQ. And now in fourth semester, this semester I joined to Hima Journalistic for 1 period. I also attended language course in college. Next, I joined PDKT Komite as an design division. After PDKT Komite, I attended PJTD Komite as an official. Finish and thank you.
Okay guys, I also have a story, more precisely my short story are moments during lecture from the beginning of entering until now semester 4. Not much I will tell you because there are so many memorized or moments that I have forgotten and don't remember at all. The first I entered college at this UIN through SMPTN, majoring in journalism communication science. Why did I choose this major? Because this is the only major that I can. Long story short, I was accepted and continued to take care of this feeling. Entering the beginning of introductory period called PBAK. Yes, PBAK is a kind of campus ospec. I forgot how many days I was held. Just I remember when I PBAK, I didn't have friends from the same department at all. So I mingled with others majors and I start to have friends on the third day of PBAK, which was already spirited into all measures. Entering the beginning of lecture in class was the most awkward moment for me because actually I was the most reluctant. I had to get acquainted with new people and a new atmosphere. After 6 years in boarding school, suddenly had to be in an atmosphere where the class was mixed between girls and boys. First semester was still safe, so I could enjoy it with a long break. Now enter the second semester, where tasks began to appear, but it was still quite safe in this semester. I began to get along with my friends. Then there were two memorable events, namely the Koma and PDKT events. Then the third semester was again dizzy with the tasks again, very stressed, and now the fourth semester is still quite dizzy, but thanks God, it not like the third semester yesterday because this semester there is a pretty exciting subject where I was hunt for photos and videos. So it's a new experience too. Nah, what's for yes? Maybe that's my short story because I forgot a lot, but hopefully you like it my story, guys.
Hi, I'm Nanda. I was born in Jakarta 17 June 2004. Now, I'm studying at the Stage Islamic University Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung 4th semester. And this is my college journey. Hi, my name is Rananda Mordan Tamunan. You can call me Nanda. I know my parents give me a long name, but it's okay. Let's just enjoy it. By the way, I'm a journalism student and now I'm currently waiting for my graduation day. To be honest, it's still a long way off. Okay, let's just get back into the video. In my first semester, like most older students, I had a pretty good first year of college. I start making new friends from different cities and adapting to my new environment. Although it was a bit difficult, I managed to get through it. By the next semester, I was getting more comfortable with the campus environment and really felt homesick. I started exploring interesting places in Bandung with my friend. In the second semester, the workload was not too heavy, so I felt calmer. However, in the third semester, I start to get out of my comfort zone. I decided to join a committee to gain more friends and experience. Although it was tiring, I was happy to be part of the committee. This experience also made me braver than before. Now, in my fourth semester, I feel a greater sense of difficulty. The course material has begun to deepen toward the major. There are many practicum, and it is difficult for me to manage me time. Even so, I believe that with enthusiasm and prayer, I can get through it. Thank you for listening to my colleague story. Bye!